Crap, I'm late. Okay, so I got here, but I can't find your office anywhere. I'm in one of the houses, the 590 square foot one. That's wrong. So I'm at an office. You're here. You're not here. This is the wrong one. Seriously? Hello.
Oh, what are you doing?
So good to finally meet you.
Yes, I'm Skye Mallory. Nice to meet you.
Mallory Bears. I'm your accountant.
Okay. I am the CEO of IKEA.
My back kind of hurts.
Really? We have a wide variety of chairs. Do you like to choose any other?
Do you? Let's check them out.
Really?
I don't really like this one either. This one sucks. I don't like this one either. This is that one. Hi, I'm Mallory Bears. I'll be your financial accountant. It's a pleasure to meet you. So, how can I help you?
Well, I've ran into a couple of issues with our salary expenses. I'm lucky to have such good employees because they're more than willing to work overtime, and that's about 40 hours a week. But in order to receive their overtime, however, our company is now losing money. I feel that other than this issue, I'm pretty good at handling my business, so why do people say that accounting is called the language of business?
Well, it's in my opinion that accounting is referred to as the language of business because accounting is the only way to communicate business information. Now, for your specific case, we're going to need to use financial accounting. This is specifically used for stockholders, suppliers, bank employees, and owners, while managerial accounting won't be as helpful because it's strictly for managers. One thing I can already tell you is that we're going to have to get your balance sheet straightened out. It paints a picture of the company's financing so I can better assist your company's specific needs. Now, where does most of your revenue come from?
Well, our main source of revenue come from our retail sales and our wide range of catalogs. Although we do gain cash flow from our financing fees and our royalties, which pay to use the IKEA brand, now our company expenses are weighed down by the large properties and equipment that we own. Also, because our retailers and suppliers are around the world, we are heavily taxed, and obviously our salaries for our employees are a big cost. But how can I make sure all this is balanced?
Okay, so as you can see on this chart, assets equals liability plus equity. So if you have, say, $500 in the assets section and you have $500 in the liability section, you would have 500 equals 500 plus 0, and that's balanced.
Okay, so I know that my assets equals liability plus equity, but how do I fit in my revenue and my expenses into that?
Okay, so say you have $500 of revenue, you'd put it in the revenue section, and then put a 0 in the section for expenses, and then your net income will be 500. That goes straight into your retained earnings section, which is under equity, and then you'll have assets equals liability plus equity, and that should balance out.
Okay, so what is the 4 financial statements?
We have the income statement, statement of changes in stockholders' equity, and statement of cash flow, and the balance sheet. If we focus on the income statement, it would be much more beneficial because it involves expense accounts such as salary expenses.
Due to our large salary expenses, do you have any advice to give to me about what to do with my employees and paying overtime?
In the long run, you would save a lot more money if you hired more people and didn't offer overtime.
Jesus Christ! Oh, this is so stressful dealing with this, but thank you so much for your help and all of your time.
Oh, no problem. It was nice meeting you, and good luck with your company.
Oh, this accounting is so tiring. Can we just go lay down? Oh, this is much better. At least we got to rest.
Exactly.
You want a glass of water?
Yes.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Here we go.
This is a nice kitchen.
There we go. Okay, there's no go for water. I'm sorry. You are not going to get anything to drink.
That's okay.
Okay, I'm happy you're okay with that. Well, I have to go to the bathroom, so I will be right back.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I go to the bathroom by myself?
Thank you